What's up, everyone? Welcome to Audio Architects. This is my version of Pimp My Rack. So I want to show you guys what I did with this rack right here. So Navepoint was cool enough to send me out a 22U rack. They were absolutely kind of confused that I told them I wanted to use a Navepoint rack for a 2-channel setup. This is something that's not very common because a lot of people like using that, you know, that wooden fancy schmancy stuff. I'm like, no way. It was what I do that's not practical. I'm always switching things in and out. I'm always like, trying out new cables, trying out new components. So for me, this is the most practical thing, and I think it looks kind of cool. So on this edition of Pimp My Rack, I'm gonna show you guys what's in the rack, and I'm gonna show you guys how I built it and what I think of it overall. So check it out, let's roll. The rack I received from Navepoint is from their Performance series. It's the Navepoint 22U 600mm depth networking cabinet. I really like the removable locking side panels, which allow access for me to get in and out and unplug and plug things in with cables. The 2 built-in fans on top allow for ventilation. However, I don't think anything's getting that hot in my system, so when it does, at least I have the peace of mind that I have some fans up there to keep my equipment safe. And welcome to my rack. First off, we have the 84 by Stark Sound. Then we have my computer, my laptop that does all the REW stuff. Then we have the Blue Sound Node 2i and the FX Audio tube amp. And then we have the Audio Architects edition of the Simpson FP14000 that powers the Punisher. Thank you everyone for checking out the video. Thanks again Navepoint for setting me up with this rack. And stay tuned because the next addition to this rack is going to be a butcher block and a turntable that's going to go on top of the rack. So I'm excited about that. Thank you Butcher Block Acoustics for setting that up. And if you guys enjoyed the content, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell and get notified every time I put out new content. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.